Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. We begin with news on track and field. Although enduring a tough 2025 season, 2021 Tokyo Olympic sprint hurdles champion Hansle Parchment says he still has the motivation to keep going in the sport. Parchment has set himself one specific target for the 2026 season. Jermaine Brown reports.
3 World Championships, says he still has a few targets to achieve before he even thinks about retiring from the sport. Parchment outlined his approach for the 2026 season.
I'm approaching it the same, with the same drive, same confidence. And of course, I'm feeling good now and I want to put some pressure on the young people. They need to be calling me sir right now. So, but of course I want to have fun. I'm still trying to break my PRs in every step, from training and when competition starts. So I just want to, of course, give my best and try to inspire as much young people as possible. Running, I enjoy track and field. I've been running all my life. I was running before I joined the track team. I actually joined the track team because I won sports day at Martin Bay High School and I saw the guys running and there was a big excitement and I thought I should be doing that. I'm running all the time. I enjoy running. Why am I not on this thing? And I joined the track team and I've been running since. Of course, it's also my job, but I really enjoy the sport. And I still feel young. The training tells me that I'm not old yet, so I keep pushing.
Although Parchment and reigning Commonwealth Games champion Rashid Broadbell were missing from Jamaica's World Championship team last year, the nation still secured silver and bronze in the event through Orlando Bennett and Tyler Mason. Parchment says this is evidence that Jamaica can dominate the event on the global stage.
It tells me we're going in the right direction, and I think we have even more talent than we see. And I still believe that we can do 1, 2, 3 and have a clean sweep in these championships. We were not too far away from it last year. The guys did really well. And, I was hoping I was there, but unfortunately, I have to look forward. But I still believe we have the depth, the talent, the guys who are strong enough to really dominate in this event.
Parchment is the second fastest Jamaican man in the men's sprint hurdles with a personal best of 12.93 seconds. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.